First step is what? What do you install? Install what? FTP అయిపోయిందా BIBO installation 6350 His view is there. This is old version 6.5. Okay? 3.1 not there. There is what? There is what? Which one? So there is no BIBO. This BIBO data source is old version 6.5. Now we are going to install what? BIBO which version? 3.1. Installation process. If you want, you can write down. Okay. First, what do you select? The language. BIBO software installation. Okay. First step. Any doubts? Adagandi. Okay. Next. Accept. Next. What do you have to provide? Installation every day చేస్తారా? అయినా క్వశ్చన్ కదా, ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ ఎవ్రీ డే చేస్తారా? ఒకసారి చేస్తారు కదా, అడ్మిట్ చేస్తారు. నెక్స్ట్ who will do all this? Okay. See, now you are installing what? BIBO repository. Okay, suppose lot of users are there. Okay, what is the information? User. Lot of reports are creating. Okay, lot of semantic lists creating. Okay, lot of security are doing. And some user is creating, some user deleting. All this information is called as what? Which information? Which information? So BIBO captures the metadata in form of 3 repositories. One is what? System, and there is what? Audit. One more is what? Performance repository. System repository. Okay. System repository will have what? All the which information? User information, except here user which information? Here information related to scorecards. Okay, and these repositories are nothing but what is the repositories? Blank database. Clear? So first in order to install the BIBO software, first you have to create what? Repositories. So actually these two are during the time of installation. This is you can do at after later point of time also. So how many repositories you have created? System and system is for what? Your user accounts is there, no? That will be stored in which repository? System repository. Your user accounts, all those things, security information, all those things. Okay. And who is doing what activity stored in which repository? Both are not related to any report. This is for the admin purpose. Admin want to know how many users are there, or what are they doing, all these things. Then you contact these two repositories. And these two repositories are nothing but some databases. Now, first we have created repositories. Further, you have selected database. Further, there are two options are there. Either it use what? MySQL or other databases. Why MySQL is? MySQL is what? What is it? And it is a free. And other databases means what is license. And this comes along with BIBO software. Which comes along with BIBO software? If you want, you can use MySQL to prepare which repository? System or you can use Oracle or SQL or any database to prepare repositories. Okay? Because any repositories means any database you can select. So we prefer which one? MySQL. Because this comes a bundle with the BIBO software. Okay? Select the database for repositories. Select the what you are creating now? BIBO. To install BIBO, what is required? A repository. To install BIBO, to install a software and a Cognos, Informatica, we should require a repository. In that repository, our user information will be stored. Okay. What is the accounts, all those things. For that, BIBO has got two types of repositories: system and what? That we can create from MySQL or from any other database. If you go for any other database, license is required. If you go with MySQL, open source and free. And this is not end user reporting. This is for what? Admin information. Nowhere related to end user reporting. Okay? Understand? Question? All the three are one-time jobs, okay? Only one time we'll do, okay? JDBC, ODBC or what? Integration. So I'm selecting which database? MySQL is different from SQL Server. Don't confuse. Getting it? MySQL and SQL Server, a lot of difference are there. Okay, SQL Server is licensed one and Microsoft product. Okay. All your commercial websites, etc. design in what? Because they don't require any. Now when you are logging to BIBO applications, by default is what? Administrator is the username. Password, if you want to give, you can give the password at this place. Otherwise you can ignore. Okay, if you want to give the password, you can give, otherwise you can say ignore, no password. So BIBO has got how many repositories total? 3. System, audit, performance. During the time of installation, system and audit. There is from CMC. Click on next. Kusnara? Next. Any questions regarding installation you can ask. By default you are using which database? Okay, like Oracle you have Scott, Tiger, like this. Okay, standard things are there. Similarly in MySQL, two databases are there, standard database, root and SA. What is your database? First one? Root, and the database what? I am using root for which repository? What is the first repository? So what is the second repository? So I am using SA for audit, and root for what?
System.
Right down. For system repository, which database I am using? Root. For this audit, I am using what? SAP. Next. BIBO has got web applications or not? BIBO has got some web applications. Okay, see. What are the BIBO web applications? BIBO, InfoView, BIBO, these three are which applications? They work using URLs. Okay. Those three applications, how your Gmail is working? Laptop Gmail allow work outundi? What is the who is sending the request and is bring the request back to the from Gmail server to your local system? How? Who is sending the request? IIS, Internet Information. Including we can also use Tomcat. You can also use WebLogic servers. So these are the web services in the market. BIBO lo kuda you have URLs, but this URLs we prefer using what? That's what you are selecting what? Apache. Why Tomcat? ఆ మూడు వర్క్ అవ్వాలంటే మనకి ఏం కావాలి? వెబ్ సర్వీస్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద వెబ్ సర్వీస్? What is web service? What is the definition of web service? Jagan? Without knowing what is this, it will communicate between any source and target systems. Two applications, something communication happening. That is called as what? Web service. Service-oriented architecture. Six numbers are now helipara. Next. InfoView, CMC, and what? Core system. Click on. Next. So, web application server. Only basics and material. Okay, what is web server? Okay. Tomcat is the web server. There is no space, I am going to get right. So, you are installing what? Ready now? To install BIBO it will take approximately 1 hour, and patches, 3 patches are there, it will take how many hours? complete installation. Okay, this is what installation. Other you can also install via what? Some system already installed అంటే ఇంకో system copy చేస్తాం. అది అమీర్పేట చేస్తాను. మీరు ఇచ్చిన 5 రూపాయలకి ఎవరు ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ చేయడం వల్ల దొరికి కదా 10 minutes జాబ్ అయిపోద్ది. కావాలని రేపు రమ్మంటారు అనమాట. 10 minutes ఫైన్ అవ్వడం మీరు బాధపడతారు కదా అని. అది లాజిక్, అమీర్పేట లాజిక్. మీరు ఇచ్చే సిస్టమ్ ఇస్తే 10 minutes ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ అయిపోద్ది అనమాట. కానీ చెప్పరు 10 minutes రేపు రండి సాయంకాలం అంటారు. కొద్దిగా వాల్యూ డబ్బులు ఇస్తున్నారు కదా. ఓకే, గోస్ట్లో 10 minutes అమీర్పేట ఎవరు ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ చేయరు. అందరూ ఏం చేస్తారు? గోస్ట్ కంపెనీస్ మొత్తం అన్ని గోస్ట్ ఉంది. జస్ట్ ఇమేజ్ అలా కాపీ మీరు ఇచ్చిందంటే ల్యాప్టాప్ వెనక తిప్పుతారు, 2 స్పీడ్ వచ్చేస్తారు, హార్డ్ డిస్క్ పక్కన పెడతారు. మీకేం తెలియదు మనకు, భయపడతాం ఇది వస్తే లోపల ఏం అవుతుందో. మళ్ళీ ఇంకో ల్యాప్టాప్ అంటే 5 minutes అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, సో వీఆర్ నాట్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ టు సీ వాట్ హ్యాపన్స్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్టర్ 10 hours వాట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు కమ్ ఫినిష్. I will go to another system where already the 10 hours is passed, installation is done. Okay, then we can start with the second step. Correct? Now after 10 hours you will have like this. Whatever you're not seeing here, there is an extra software, extra license. Crystal reports is there. Extra license. Excel CS is there. Live Office is there. Widgets is there. Now only client tools, extra licenses. This is what only the server installers only will get this one. Clear? Remaining are what? Extra client tools and extra license. So you're done with what? BIBO server. Next you have to install what? BIBO client tool. What is the BIBO client tool? So I'm selecting Crystal, which version? It's like 1 minute of time. In the meantime, you can ask any doubt. Speak loudly. Web-based applications. What is the application I told? What's the application name different? They are applications. So why poster is used to grade what? Grade what? What? Why CMC used? Grade not? Grade not? Grade not? This is the option server. This is to create the web, to create analytics. This is to create dashboard, to create metrics, to create scorecard, to create wider, the report scheduling, all this. So these are called as any questions? the meantime, just reports. Enter, sir. Click on setup file, arrow mark, provide key, arrow mark, select typical installation, arrow mark, next, finish. Next. Okay, this is the installation of what is going on. So it will take how much time? 3 minutes. Next, Java connectors. Madam, heading Java connectors. Since we are integrating SAP BW with BO, all the users, comma, security, which are already defined in SAP, should be imported into BIBO environment. For single sign-on authentication. That is, an SAP user can log on to SAP as well as BIBO environment. That is, SAP user can log on to SAP as well as BIBO environment. There are two types of Java connectors. JSO.jar, JSO.mail. This you have to copy. This is available in SAP Marketplace. Where they are available? SAP Marketplace, free download. This you have to copy. C, program files, business objects, Tomcat. This you have to copy. C, Windows, System 32. Very basic. Google SAP Marketplace. I can download. Jarpada. Done? What happened? Pankaj? What is the gate? Bangalore gate? Huh? Pankaj or present? What happened to present? You didn't get? Particular. Yeah? See, render files you have to download from where? this SAP marketplace where you can download all the JCO files. So you should have your credentials. Okay, it's user ID and password. Then you can download all the softwares, patches, all those things. Okay. Now see, I already downloaded. See the files. What is one? SAP JCO, jar and what? DDL. My computer, C drive, Windows, system 32, enter, paste. So one file you paste in where? See, Windows, jar file where you have to paste? Copy, program files, business objects, Tomcat, common, lib, paste. Why are you pasting all these things? Just no written, no? Read. మొత్తం చెప్పండి, నేర్స్ వచ్చిందా ఏంటి? మొత్తం చెప్పండి. అది లాస్ట్ వర్డ్. ఆల్రెడీ ఎస్ఏపీలో యూఎస్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం, 100 యూఎస్. Again, BIBO you should not create users. Same users should log on to which environment? Already created security in SAP. Same thing you can reuse in BIBO. Getting it or not? Our reuse on we are that roles and users will come into BIBO environment via Java connectors. Okay? To bring existing roles, existing users, existing securities from SAP to BIBO, we have to use this concept. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right on. Quickly. After copying, go to Tomcat. Quick. Go to. Go to. Who will do this job? And a smart consultant. If you have a resume saying that exposure on integration, exposure on like JDBC connection, all these things, then it will be plus point for your resume. Okay, you differentiated from 100 people. Out of 100 resumes, why a resume should selected? Ikkada you have to keep what? What is the file? You copy it. JCO dot path ikkada bar the path I given. Just copy paste ikkada next. Then what? Stop. Okay, you just paste it to the class path, just you have to restart them. Stop and again what? Start and intact. Stop. After JCO file configuration, what do you have to install? Install what? SAP BO integration kit. But after JCO file installation, you have to restart. You have to restart BO servers from CCM. BO servers from CCM before installing